Why is the cooking pot flying?
Maybe it wants adventure.
Or maybe dinner is running away.
Run faster!
I am running fast. Save the dinner pot.
Mud in my eyes!
Oh!
Tastes like soup.
Please don't lick sky mud.
This ladder will reach it.
Strong mud engineering. Careful, not too wobbly.
We are falling! Soft landing! Come down, pot! It doesn't speak, dog.
Maybe try, please?
Come down, pot!
I can't see! You look like Soup King!
Don't move, I'm laughing.
It's escaping!
Shortcut this way!
Watch the puddle, too late!
Every problem needs carrots.
Smart idea.
Hope Pot eats vegetables.
Bridge ahead. Don't slip.
I already slipped.
Careful steps. I love this chase.
Focus on Pot. I can't stop.
Whee! This is not planned.
Quiet plan time.
I whisper loud.
Please whisper smaller.
Jump now.
Almost had it. He saved us.
Hooking now. Don't drop me.
Little left. We got it.
Pull together.
Slow and steady.
Not again.
Last chase.
Windmill direction.
Almost there.
Legs tired.
Keep climbing.
I got it. Hold tight.
Don't drop dinner!
Dinner is saved, and we are Mudley.
Best festival ever.